You ever have one of those days where you don't want to wake up because everything's in everything from my Limp Bizkit days? Yeah, it's one of those days. Let's get to it. YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Gene Ranch Homestead. Really didn't feel like getting out of bed today. I'm starting late and there's a freezer coming. 20 cubic foot, scratch and dent. Can't go wrong. Saved ourselves a couple dollars. It was like $1,000 freezer that we got for like 800 something. Just because there's a dent in the door. They're supposed to be here in like 15 minutes, so I gotta move some vehicles and I gotta get started yet. Where is he at? Hold on. There he is. It's just a love machine. Yep, just a love machine. So gotta move the car, get started, get animals taken care of. Melly's inside getting prepared for the freezer. All right, see what else we can do. Super windy today. Sorry about the wind noise, but hey, it's been freezing cold and it's going to get up to 50 today. There's a storm front coming. We're supposed to get about an inch of rain tomorrow. So it's going to be a slop hole muddy mess here with all the runoff. There's probably going to be flood warnings or at least watches. They haven't set it up yet, but I know it's coming. Welcome to my dirty garage. Spring cleaning's coming. Not that much of a spring cleaner, but hey, see what Jenny's up to. See if we got a lamb today. What's up, Jenny? Yeah, I know. What's up, chickens? Rooster. I like his comb. Look at that comb. It's a really nice rose comb. Let's see what we got. We got a Jenny. Got some chickens. That is a rooster. I heard it crowing. There's Beatrice. Well, you can see her in the shadows. She's still fat and sassy. I think she's probably still a couple weeks away now. I thought she was gonna go soon, but she isn't. Snowman, you okay? See him kneeling there? He isn't getting up. I better go check him. He had a hoof problem not too long ago, and I kind of messed with him the other day. See the lambs over there? They're all hanging out with Miss Sally. All right. Oh, Jane's running in. Lambs following sheep. All right. Jane sees me coming in with food. She starts getting all crazy. She can't wait. Can you? All the sheep come here and they try to get the grain from her. The ones that know it. But she reaches over the gate so it doesn't fall down in their pen. But all the chickens work it over. Oh, I can hear the pigs. They're all pissy. They're fighting. I gotta go out there and break that up. All right. I don't know if I said on the other video the other day, you know, about feeding Jenny, what we feed her, but I feed her no more than a quart a day of grain, which is very, very minimal. If you look at the size of her, she's not mini, but she's not full size. But, you know, oh geez. It is what it is. All right. You want some more, girl? I think she does. Let's see. Oh, I think there's a truck here. I better get going. I gotta go, Johnny. I know. I'll be back. All right, this is who we got from Flicks TV Appliance, Meadville.com. So we're getting our freezer from. They're putting it in right now. After they get in, I'll kind of show you. But they had a whole section of scratch and dent in the back. So we're able to, you know, get in there, take a look at all the scratch and dents. This freezer they got literally came in while we were there. Well, just before we got there. So they get like stuff like that goes to Home Depot and whatever, and they'll have, you know, a scratch or dent. Home Depot won't sell it at a discount price at times, so they'll pick it up and buy it, or the manufacturer will pull it out for them to buy and purchase. So they will. Do we get the full warranty on this freezer? No, we get 90 days. But if you think like I do, in 90 days, if nothing's gone wrong, within a year, nothing should go wrong either. But it is a big freezer, and that's why I'm pretty sure I said what it was, but it's a 20 cubic foot. This will easily hold everything we got right now. Since we have freezer go down, we're only down to a 5 cubic foot right now in the kitchen freezer. And we had a 7 that took a dump on us, and that hurt. But this should hold our pigs easily and some other stuff. And we have chickens at other people's houses right now, so we'll be able to get all the chicken back that we raised. So, all right, I'll get you a picture of it once we get it in and they take off.
You can go back out in just a minute.
All right, Whirlpool freezer. I don't have the right lens, but there you can see the dent. It's a pretty big freezer. It's got side doors, all that. This one, that control's not gonna come through right. This freezer can also be a refrigerator. So we can set to be as a refrigerator, or we can set to be a freezer, or we can set it to be super cold. I'll probably set it to super cold because that's who I am. But that's what we got. It's pretty nice. I mean, I kind of like the option that you could go refrigerator or freezer. And that's kind of different to me. I'm not used to seeing that, but, you know, newfangled technology. That's what you get. All right, back to chores. By the way, the company we got this freezer from has a little sheet that I'm going to post right about now. That's a nice sheet. Tells you what size freezer you need for what you're taking in. All right. Release the clucking! Come on. Let's go. Come on, come on. There's your chickens. Hey, Karen. Here you go, ducks. Jesus. They're crazy. Goat whining intermission. I think y'all need some cheese with that wine.
Get off him.
Ready? That should be nice. All right, well, see the goats eating, and you can see Rhyme over there. Today's Rhyme's last day. There's a young girl picking her up. Go put her in her flock. She's been a good goat. She was a decent mom, not the best mom. She's not being bought to be bred. Maybe, but I mean, she's on the small side. She's a pygmy Norwegian cross or cross. You know, her name comes from rhymes with witch, which I think you guys can all understand. That's who she is. So yeah, Rhyme's leaving. It's kind of sad, but at the same time, there's no reason for us to keep feeding her and keep her if we're not going to breed her next season. So we're going to move her out. Rhythm, her child, is going to stay. She is, well, she was born, what, November 27th or 28th. So she's got some age on her. She's able to be away from mom now. Excuse me. And I talked earlier about how there's a storm coming and it's getting really hot today. We're supposed to be in the 50s, so there's going to be a major melt off. Not only that, tomorrow it's supposed to be like 55 degrees and like an inch plus of rain. So what we're going to do here is we're going to try to band down the hatches in a different sense. I know that my carports go flood, but all my hay is off the ground. It's on pallets, so I'm okay there. I have some wood, none packed in the carport right now. I have it some other place, but I need to get that off and into the carport sometime before it starts raining. And yeah, we're probably going to have to go out and buy some straw here today, or, well, probably today, not tomorrow. It doesn't rain till like the afternoon. And everything's just going to get soaked. So the goat house is already a little on the damp side. It's going to get... You're not going to believe this. The ground will all be unfrozen, and be able to stick some netting in to keep those lambs in with their moms. If they run off, they do that. It's okay during the day. At nighttime it isn't. I'm probably going to have to start shutting the gate to the back of the barn and keep the lambs in, because we have that red gate and it will keep the lambs in. The bars are tight enough. So well, Rhyme's loaded up, ready to go, essentially. I got halter on her. She's eating. People are on the way to come get her. So it's feeding time, so I'm not going to not feed her. She already knows it's coming. We trimmed her hoofs a little bit today. They're not too dry, so not the easiest to cut. But there she is, eating last time with all her friends here. Of course, Jack wants to crawl all over her, but she'll be gone shortly, and it'll hurt, but it won't. She was a good goat, you know, for certain things, but Rhyme's out the door. She was a good goat to us. Enjoyed her Fruit Loops. Enjoyed driving me nuts, eating my grapes. And she's going to a real nice family. It's a young girl that she really knew her stuff, and she probably could have schooled me on some things. She's doing dairy breed. And her dad was here, and they're trying to start homesteading, and milking the goat, and I was like, hey, Rhyme's still in milk. You can milk her. So maybe they'll get around to milking her. And we talked about sheep, and they talked about doing wool sheep, so maybe making some clothing or yarn and whatever. And I showed them off the Katahdins and said, never have to shear them. They grow up big and nice, pretty meaty, and also you can milk the moms for soap. And he was pretty informed on that, and we talked about a few other things. But that's that. So Rhyme is off the farm. Hate to see her go, but it is what it is, you know. I guess you shouldn't name your goats at times, or your sheep, but it's all right. She'll do well there. I think she'll fit in, because what they told me, I think she'll fit in really good. So, all right. That's the end of the Rhyme. If you've gotten to this point, leave a comment. Let me know you got towards the end. I know a lot of people only watch about a minute or two. I am a pretty boring guy. All right. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And I don't know. Have a good day. Stay dry. Stay warm. Stay out of the snowstorms that are coming through. I don't know. All right. See you around.